Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really easy way here that you can make an extra $10 to $20 per day working whenever you want, all for 100% free, and you should be able to do it from anywhere in the whole world to do this. And it's a lot of fun, it's fun, easy to do, and you can do it at your leisure and make about $10 to $20 extra per day and possibly more depending on how much time that you invest. Alrighty? So let's go ahead and get started in on this. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here, I always like to invite my new fans coming here to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click down there below and click that little red subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little notification bell there beside it too and get notified. And you can come take advantage of brand new videos I upload pretty quickly, all right, because you'll get notified. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this, guys. The site that we're going to be coming over here to today, this is not going to be a long video, but it'll be pretty good for you. You're not going to get, let me tell you here off the outset, you're not going to make a lot of money with this quick. It's just a way to make some extra spending money, like maybe even for Christmas gifts, or maybe if you want to take your family out to dinner or something like that. This is a way to make some good, fast, extra money here, okay? So the site we're going to come here is this site right here, guys. It's called CLICKBANK. You see it right here? I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Look up here in the address bar. It's CLICKBANK. Or it might be CLICKBANK or something like that. I'm not sure, but it's kind of a weird name, isn't it? CLICKBANK, alrighty? Well, CLICKBANK.com, as you see right there in the address bar. And this site right here, guys, it says make money online, and it can be done. Now, guys, this can be done on a computer. It can be done, of course, on your cell phones. You see here they got an app for the iOS and for Android as well. And this can be done on, like here, what it says right here, on your phone, computer, or tablet, and get paid wherever you are without investment. This is 100% free to do this. It says here, turn your time into profit here, guys. And the flexible solutions. CLICKBANK is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country, and you can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. It says you will get paid for your spent time and engagement on this platform here. And it says here, everything under control. It says you can choose how you want to earn money. They've got like about 4 different ways that you can earn money here on this site, and I'll show them to you here in a minute. And by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and or creating accounts as well. And then you just collect your profits. It says right here, by following simple instructions, just in a month, you can earn up to about 150 US dollars without any additional taxes and charges. But, however, right here, guys, it says there is no limit to your earnings on this site. In other words, you work your own hours. So the more time that you spend, the more money you're probably going to make. But it says right here that just with a, average time spent, I guess you can make about $150 per month on this site right here. Or you can do more. Okay, it's up to you how often you want to work this and how long you want to work at it. Depending on that, will increase your money the more you work. Now, they're sticking around because there's actually another way on here I'm going to show you that you can even exponentially make more money with this site. Okay, it says here it's just increase your earnings. It says wherever you are, on the bus, at work, or at school, at the hairdresser, or even the toilet, you can always earn money on CLICKBANK. Do not waste precious time browsing Facebook or other social media. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet. And then you can sort of set goals here. It says there are 5 ways to earn money on CLICKBANK, and each one of them is distinguished by a feature that might suit you best. And then engagement. It says here, engagement and your time are keys to high earnings on this particular site. So what we want to do is you want to come up here and you want to click on registration right here, guys. And then we can click on this here, and this will bring us over. And now you can get signed up here on this site with a local account right here, and or your Google account or your Microsoft account right here as well. And yes, they will send you a email confirmation as well. Okay, so what happens is once you get signed in, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Now I've already verified my account on this site from the email confirmation. So I'm just going to go ahead and log right in here. And when you get logged in after you register, guys, it's 100% free to do that. It'll bring you back to your dashboard back here. If it'll redirect me here, here we go. So it brings us back here, and this is sort of your back office. And as you can see, I've got 0 balances here on everything, guys, because this is a brand new account. I just saw this today and wanted to share it with you guys. And then you got some different things that you can do here and add basic information about yourself in your settings. And then here is your billings right here, and then click on earn right here as well. So if we click on earn, well, that brings us over here, and you can see you can earn money by playing games. Just click on earn, fill out surveys, earn there, watch videos, and online shopping. You can earn there, probably cash back or something like that, on your credit cards or so on and so forth. So that's how you earn. That's 4 ways, and it says right here, guys, that 100 points is equal to about $1. So that's a lot better than some sites. I've seen some sites where you got to have at least 1,000 points just to equal $1. This is actually pretty good. 100 points just per $1. So you can earn money these 4 ways, guys, right here. And the other way they have is right over here. If you look, it says right here on the left, it says referral program right here, guys. So they have a affiliate program here on this site. And if you click on that, that should, and it brings it over, and you can see your referral link. This is my referral link right here. And it says invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on CLICKBANK. If the person makes their first payout, you will both get $10 for free. Well, that's a pretty good deal. And then you can share it right here on Facebook or WhatsApp, Twitter, Reddit, and or even by email. If you have an email list, and you can mail it to them and let them come over here and get signed up for free and start earning some money themselves. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the billing right here, and you can see that the payment threshold here, guys, is only just $25 right here for the payment threshold. So I would think you'd be able to make that probably pretty quick, maybe even in 1 day's time if you spend some time on here working at these different ways to make money. And it says right here you can add a payment method. Now you can probably, I'm going to guess PayPal will be one. And it says right here you don't need to add a payment until your threshold has been reached, and that's $25. So either PayPal, I'm going to guess, or then probably your bank. They will, have direct deposit to your bank account. That'd be one of the ways to get paid on here, would be my guess. I don't think they have any. Yeah, they don't have any frequently asked questions or anything. And it shows the different transactions of your payments and so on and so forth here. Billing setting and manage settings and stuff like that. And then on the settings over here, if we click on settings, you can see they've got your email address, set your time zone, and it'll display your earnings right here as well. And then you can even change the theme to a dark theme or light theme, and then you have an account ID down here that's specifically assigned to you when you get registered with this site. And then also they have the billings up here. They have privacy and about here. Click on shows basic information and stuff about you, and privacy. You can enter and set your different privacy settings here for receiving app notifications and emails as well. And then so that's basically the back office right there. And anyways, that is how you do that, guys. This is the site called CLICKBANK. And you can come over here and get started on this right away, guys, and begin to earn $10 to $20 extra per day, maybe even more if you spend a little more time working on this particular site. And it'll give you some good extra spending money that you can do, and you can even do this while you're out walking around or at the mall or sitting at a restaurant. You can do this anywhere you have phone or anything like that that you want to do this with, and you can just make money all the time. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you like this particular website and this method here, reach down and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell there below. And also, if you got any comments or questions about this site here and this method here, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see a free video presentation on my high-ticket affiliate marketing formula that'll show you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer, click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out what's available there for you that'll teach you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer earning into the thousands per day with that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that here, and don't forget to watch the videos up over here that you see pop up and other ways to make money with those. And I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making method. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.